because it could be the last video I make.
Today we reveal Sheikha why Sheikha Latifa escaped from Dubai. Sheikha Latifa bint Muhammad bin Rashid Al Maktoum was born in 5 December 1985. She is a beautiful daughter of Sheikh Muhammad bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Prime Minister of UAE, and Algerian woman named Hurrem Ahmed Al Masha, and sister of Dubai Crown Prince Sheikh Hamdan. Sheikha Latifa escaped from Dubai in late February 2008, and it was a forcibly returned from international waters near the Indian Ocean coast by Joint Indian Emirates Operation on 4 March 2018. In December 2018, the Dubai Royal Court said that she was back in Dubai. She was believed to be held against her will under order of her father Sheikh Muhammad bin Rashid Al Maktoum. In June 2021, briefly statement issued by behalf by law firm Taylor Wazing state that she was free to travel and wants privacy. In August 2021, and after Latifa had been photographed in public place in Dubai, Spain and Iceland, the Free Latifa campaign, which had lasted 3.5 years, came to an end. In February 2022, the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights Michelle Bachelet stated that she met Latifa in Paris and that Latifa was well and wished for respect for his privacy. On 24 February 2018, Sheikha Latifa and her Finnish friend Tina Johaninen left Dubai in car and crossed the border to Oman. They left Oman on Jet 6 and joined American French citizen and former French intelligence officer Harvey Joubert and his crew on yacht Nostromo. After this, there is no proper news about Latifa. Thanks for watching.